Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that in the system of equations shown above, where we have 1/2 x plus ay is equal to 16, and bx plus 4y is equal to 48, a and b are constants. If there are infinitely many solutions for the system, what is the value of a plus b? If there are infinitely many solutions for the system, that means this line and this line are the exact same. So we have to multiply one of these lines by some constant that is going to make them perfectly line up. So looking at our x terms, we have 1/2 and b. So we don't know what we have to multiply 1/2 by to get to b, so we can't work on that. Same thing with a and 4. We don't know what we can multiply a by to get to 4. But with our constants here at the end, we know if we multiply 16 by 3, that's going to give us 48. So rewriting the second equation first, we have bx plus 4y is equal to 48. And here we have 3 times 1/2 is 3/2 x, plus 3 times a is plus 3 ay, is equal to 48. Just distributing that 3. And now we know that these are the same line, right? For them to have infinitely many solutions, they have to be the same line, same equation. So 48 is equal to 48. 4y is equal to 3ay. And bx is equal to 3/2 x. So dividing both sides by y over here. 4 is equal to 3a. So divide both sides by 3. You get a is equal to 4/3. Over here, divide both sides by x. These cancel, and we've already solved b is equal to 3/2. So we're not looking for a or b, we're looking for a plus b, which is going to be 4/3 plus 3/2. We want to get a common denominator, which is going to be 6 here, so we can do 2 over 2 times 4/3 plus 3/2 times 3 over 3. So multiplying by 2 over 2 or multiplying by 3 over 3, this is just multiplying by 1, right? 3 divided by 3 is 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1, but this is going to give us common denominators. So we have 2 times 4 is 8 divided by 6, plus 3 times 3 is 9 divided by 6, 8 plus 9 is 17 divided by 6, and this is going to be your value of a plus b. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.